Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations. We have sum of 3 cube roots in LHS, RHS is 0, x is in the denominator also. So we'll write here x cannot be equal to 0 as our denominator cannot be 0. Now we'll be taking LCM over here and over here. We will get cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 1 over x plus cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 2 over x plus cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 3 over x, and in RHS we have 0. Now we have cube root x in the denominators. So to remove denominator cube root x, we are going to multiply our equation by cube root x. So cube root x and denominator cube root x will get cancelled out. In RHS 0 times cube root x is 0. So we will write our equation cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 1 plus cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 2 plus cube root of x cube minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we can assume the middle x cube minus 3x plus 2 radicand. Suppose this is equal to u. So I will write here x cube minus 3x plus 2. This is equal to u. Now we can write x cube minus 3x plus 1, which will be equal to u minus 1. And if we will write x cube minus 3x plus 3 in terms of u, we have to write u plus 1. So our equation, which is in variable x, now convert into variable u. We will write cube root of u minus 1 plus cube root of u plus cube root of u plus 1 equal to 0. Let me write equation here. Here it is. Now we will assume if this is A, this is B, this is C, then we can write A plus B plus C equal to 0. And we know one algebraic identity which says if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, this is equal to 3 times ABC. Here A is cube root u minus 1, B is cube root u, and C is cube root u plus 1. Let's apply. We will get cube root u minus 1 whole cube. This is A cube plus cube root u whole cube. This is B cube. Cube root u plus 1 whole cube. This is C cube. Equal to 3 times cube root u minus 1 times cube root u times cube root u plus 1. Now we can cancel cube root with cube in left hand side, and we will write u minus 1 plus u plus 1 in LHS. And in RHS we have 3 times. We will club all the 3 cube roots and get u plus 1 times u minus 1 times u. Now from these two brackets, it is reminding a plus b times a minus b. So we will use difference of two squares formula and write u square minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will get over in LHS. So u plus u plus u, 3u. In RHS we have 3 cube root of u times u square minus 1. Now we have 3 on both sides. So let us divide by 3 both sides so that 3 will be cancelled out. 3 over 3 is 1. 1 times u is u. 1 times cube root u times u square minus 1 is cube root u times u square minus 1. So we will get u equal to cube root u times u square minus 1. Now we have single cube root in RHS. So let us assume cubing both sides. Cube root and cube will get cancelled out from right hand side. In LHS we have u cube. In RHS we will write u times u square minus 1. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. So u cube minus u times u square minus 1 equal to 0. We will take u common out. So in other bracket we will write u square minus u square minus 1 equal to 0. We will get u times u square minus u square plus 1 equal to 0. Now plus u square minus u square will be 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we will write u times 1 equal to 0 or u equal to 0. Now u is x cube minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have one cubic equation. Now we have to solve this equation. I will put here x equal to 1. Will it satisfy our equation? Let us check. X equal to 1 straight away. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 plus 2. Yes, x equal to 1 is one solution to our equation because 3 minus 3 is 0. RHS is also 0. Now x equal to 1 is our base solution. Here we have cubic equation. Let us use synthetic division method to find remaining two roots of this cubic equation. So we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation first. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Coefficient of x square is missing, so we will write 0. Coefficient of x is minus 3. Constant is 2. We will put one line. We will retain our leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now base solution will get multiplied with leading coefficient. So 1 times 1 is 1. We will write over here. Now we will be adding these two numbers. Sum will be here. Same practice we will continue. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. We will add these two and get 0. Here we have coefficients for quadratic equation in x. I will write x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0, which we can factorize easily and write over here x minus 1 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So using product 0 rule, we will be getting either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So from first equation we are going to get x equal to 1, and from second equation we are going to get x equal to minus 2. So we have two real solutions. Our first solution was x equal to 1, which is repeating here x equal to 1, and we have third solution x equal to minus 2. So one is having multiplicity we have two real x which will satisfy our equation. X equal to 1 and minus 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.